This is Fred Østergaard, manager of the Herning City wastewater treatment plant, which has just undergone a major modernization project. This means that Herning today has an ultra-modern SCADA monitoring system based on pumps and controls from Grundfos. The old system had its obvious limitations and badly needed modernizing.
The
old system was rather complex. It needed a fair bit of manual operation. This could mean a lot of driving between the treatment plant and the pumping stations and the smaller local treatment plants. And for the person on call, it meant a lot of driving between his home and the office. During busy periods, we even had staff spending the night here at the plant. So it was sometimes pretty inconvenient to be on call back then. The potential for developing the old system was completely exhausted, and that's why we set up a modernization project.
Der var ikke noget at komme efter, så derfor satte vi de tiltag i gang.
The vision for the new plant was clear. The idea was to be able to manage and control all wastewater treatment plants and pumping stations from one central location. This would enhance the efficiency of the day-to-day operations. As a first step, the council appointed an external consultant from COE Consult to assist in the preparation of the final tender documents. Another important task for the consultant was to help screen potential suppliers. This included Grundfos.
The main thing we required from our suppliers was permanence. We wanted to be sure that the supplier will still be in the market in 20 years' time. And they had to be able to supply the right products and know-how for the overall setup, so we could realize our vision of controlling the treatment plant and pumping stations from one central location. So we screened the potential suppliers, and our consultant assessed the ability of each of them to supply what we needed. And I would have to say that Grundfos came out of it extremely well compared to their competitors.
Det må så sige, at det klarede Grundfos til stor bravur i forhold til deres konkurrenter eller andre leverandører.
A consortium of suppliers was then put together to supply the complete solution. BV Electronic was responsible for software integration, and Grundfos was selected as the supplier of both pumps and controls. It quickly became apparent to Fred Østergaard how this would be an advantage.
Det en kæmpe fordel for os.
It's a huge advantage for us that we get pumps and controls from the same supplier, simply because there's so much information that a pump can give us. At the same time, the controls are capable of more and more, which leads to more development on the pumps. Our modernization project has required many individual and customized solutions, and there's been the occasional little misunderstanding between us and Grundfos along the way. But we could just get in touch with the right people at Grundfos and we would get the support we needed. They were quick to show up and we could sit down and deal with whatever issues there were. And we cleared up any misunderstandings and problems as we went along.
Jamen så de misforståelser, de gentog sig ikke overhovedet.
Once the project was completed and fully implemented, a working day became something quite different for everyone at the treatment plant. The difference is particularly noticeable for those who are on call at night and during weekends. With the new system, sudden malfunctions are dealt with much more efficiently than before. The person on call receives a text message informing of the malfunction. It comes either directly from the control module at the pumping station in question or from the central SCADA system. He receives precise information about what has happened and where. But instead of getting into the car like he used to, he now goes into the kitchen.
Today, the person on call is connected to the treatment plant SCADA system via his computer, and he can deal with many of the incoming alarms from his kitchen table. He doesn't necessarily have to get in the car at all, and this has meant a reduction in the number of on-call hours. Since we installed the new system, we have reduced staff numbers by 4, so it's been a good thing for us.
Så en gevinst har det givet, en stor gevinst har det givet.
But it's not just the upfront savings that are making an impact on the day-to-day operations at the wastewater treatment plant in Herning. There are also some other distinct advantages. Advantages that are about being able to concentrate on the core business and about having a more rewarding working day.
We have 14 wastewater treatment plants in and around Herning, and they have to be 100% top-tuned at all times to keep the treatment process working optimally. Now we can use more of our resources on optimizing the actual operation, instead of having to drive out and check malfunctions and pumping stations all the time. And it's more fun going to work now, meeting relaxed people every morning who've just checked the entire system and seen that the treatment plant and pumping stations are working the way they should be. Having this total overview gives us greater job satisfaction, and it gives us more freedom in our work that we have the overview in one place. So, the vision I had before the project started, that's been realized in full.
Derfor de drømme, jeg havde på daværende tidspunkt, når jeg kigger 4 til 5 år tilbage, de er opfyldt til fulde.